And this year saw a massive purge of people from the country's Medicaid rolls after pandemic-era protections expired. NBC's Zinhle Essamuah takes a look at what's happening in Texas, where more people have lost coverage there than anywhere else in the country.
We've been seeing a lot of patients that have no idea that their Medicaid ended.
Across the country, millions of Medicaid subscribers are at risk of losing health insurance.
And when one doesn't have access to insurance, those decisions are being made based on, am I really as sick as I think I am? Do I really need to go?
In Austin, Texas, Community Care Health Centers, a network offering free and low-cost care, is scrambling, not just to re-enroll, but also to educate the community on how to keep their coverage.
We have been constantly busy all the time.
For 3 years during the pandemic, Congress required Medicaid programs to keep people enrolled.
It meant that our patients and their families had access to sustained benefits and had access to continuity in their Medicaid benefits. That is life-changing, life-altering.
Now, that continuous enrollment is over.
We've never had 90-some million people enrolled in the program, and we've never tried to do this all at once. So every state across the country is going through this process as we speak.
So far, over 11 million people have lost Medicaid coverage nationwide, according to the Kaiser Foundation's analysis of federal data. In the states that have data available, about 71% of people are losing coverage, not because they're ineligible, rather for procedural reasons, like missing paperwork. The sudden volume now putting a strain on states.
Just about a quarter of all the children losing Medicaid are in Texas. This is huge. We've never seen a decline like this.
The HSSC telling NBC News that as of December, it is taking an average of 60 days to complete an application for Medicaid. But Texas lawmakers want more. Over the summer, Congressman Lloyd Doggett and a dozen of his Democrat colleagues urged the Biden administration to take action and have since continued to push the agency to ensure the enrollment process is timely.
And without federal intervention, more and more Texans, pregnant women, children, individuals with disability will be denied health care when they should not be.
The Biden administration telling NBC News that they were working with Texas to fix the problem.
We have met with the state, we have reviewed, and we did require Texas to reinstate over 90,000 people that were incorrectly disenrolled from the program.
This fall, HHS announced that 500,000 children regained coverage after working with states on reported systems issues. In the interim, as state agencies wrap up this year's Medicaid eligibility checks, community health care clinics like Dr. Forner's are stepping up.
For someone who has a chronic disease or a disability, a lapse in coverage can actually cause their existing medical condition to worsen significantly.
Zinhle Essamuah, NBC News.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.